Hello, advanced English learners. Welcome back. Recently in our community, we discussed how having purpose can give us that extra motivation to pursue our objectives. Members shared so many fantastic insights and thoughts, and it was incredibly inspiring. If you yourself would like to partake in those, I'd encourage you to join our community, Explearning Academy. Sign up at academy.explearning.co. We would love to have you. Are you looking to improve your English proficiency while living in a non-English speaking country? Don't worry, it's completely possible. With a little dedication and practice, you can improve your English skills and become more confident in your ability to communicate in this globally important language. In this lesson, we'll explore some practical tips and strategies for improving your English proficiency while living in a non-English speaking country. There are a few ways you can improve your English proficiency while living in a non-English speaking country. So the first thing to do, practice speaking and listening as much as possible. Find opportunities to speak English with native English speakers or other English language learners. This can include joining an English language club or finding an English language exchange partner. Read and write in English. Find books, articles, blog posts, newsletters, and other reading materials in English, and practice your reading comprehension skills. Reading in English can help you improve your vocabulary and comprehension skills. You can find English language news articles or books online or even at your local library. You can also try writing in English, whether it be in a journal or by creating your own written content. Do this both virtually and also analog, writing it out. Listen to English music and podcasts to practice your listening skills. Take an English course. Consider enrolling in an English language course at a local language school or through an online platform. This can give you the opportunity to learn from a qualified professional and receive feedback on your progress. Immerse yourself in the language. Surround yourself with English as much as possible by listening to music, watching movies and series, and using English apps and websites. Watch English language TV shows or movies. Watching TV shows or movies in English can help you improve your listening skills, your listening comprehension, and expose you to different accents and dialects. You can also find a wide range of English language content on streaming platforms like Netflix or Hulu or Amazon Prime or HBO. Enroll in an online English community. Consider joining a community such as Explearning Academy, where we meet live multiple times a week for discussions, workshops, and events. You'll also get language lessons, communication lessons, challenges and quests to complete, and lots of opportunity to practice your communication skills, apply the concepts and strategies we teach at Advanced English and Explearning, and receive feedback on your progress. Remember, the most important thing is to be patient with yourself and keep practicing. Improving your English proficiency takes time and dedication, but it can be extremely rewarding and enriching. Are you ready to put this into practice? Well, I have a set of quests for you to complete if you're a member of our private community, Explearning Academy. So if you would like the quests, the weekly plan of exercises, the discussion that goes along with it, and an opportunity to submit questions or ask me live in real time, then you can sign up for our community by going to academy.explearning.co or just sign up using the link down below. Improving your English language proficiency while living in a non-English speaking country might seem challenging at first, but with the right mindset and attitude, right approach, it is definitely 100% achievable. By consistently speaking, listening, reading, writing, and practicing your English, immersing yourself in the language and seeking out opportunities to use the language and engage with it, you can make steady progress towards fluency. And of course, don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are an inevitable part of the language learning process. So with time, dedication, and commitment, you will see your English skills improve and you will be able to communicate more effectively in this important language. Keep it up and don't give up. The rewards of fluency in English are well worth the effort. Thank you for joining me. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, share the podcast and the YouTube channel, show it some love, interact with it, and also sign up for our community if you are looking to join a global community of international professionals who are working together to achieve their social fluency. All right, see you next time. Bye for now.